Most people think they're free, that they can achieve anything if they just try hard enough. But the truth, the cold, uncomfortable truth, is that 95% of people will never escape mediocrity. They'll drift through life, average in their thinking, average in their habits, average in their results, never realizing the potential that was inside them from the start. And the reason isn't luck. It isn't circumstance. It's something much darker and much simpler than you think. Why do most people stay average? Because their minds are trapped, not by society, not by external limits, but by themselves. Human beings are wired to seek comfort, avoid risk, and conform. We are social creatures, designed to follow patterns, to imitate, to blend in. But blending in, that is the death of potential. When you follow the crowd, you trade freedom for safety. And safety is seductive. It whispers to you every day, it's enough, you're fine, don't rock the boat. And most people listen. Think about your typical day. Most people wake up to the same alarm, scroll mindlessly through social media, sit at a job they hate, return home, exhausted, watch TV, sleep, repeat. It's predictable, safe, comfortable, but it's also soul-crushing. This comfort trap is psychological. The brain rewards predictability with dopamine. You feel good in the moment, but every time you choose comfort over growth, your potential shrinks slightly, not dramatically, not overnight, just slightly. Over years, decades, and this compounds, and that is why mediocrity is so common. Mediocrity isn't a failure. It's a series of safe choices, repeated until life passes by. But it's not just comfort. It's fear. Fear of failure. Fear of judgment. Fear of the unknown. Most people would rather fail safely, inside their comfort zone, than risk humiliation or disappointment. Psychologists call this learned helplessness. You've tried something, you stumbled, maybe you felt embarrassed, and your mind tells you, don't do it again. Over time, these small fears accumulate, quietly, slowly, creating an invisible prison. The walls are not made of steel, they're made of doubt, anxiety, and indecision. And so, people settle. They stop taking risks, they stop thinking big, they stay average. Another factor is time. Humans are natural procrastinators. We think, I'll start tomorrow. I have time. It's too late now. But here's the brutal truth. The clock doesn't care about your excuses. Every moment wasted in comfort, fear, or indecision is a moment your potential dies. Quietly, without warning. The 95% who stay average believe they have unlimited time. They don't. And by the time they realize it, the opportunity has passed. Imagine John. John is 35. He works an average job, pays his bills, watches TV at night. He's nice, likable, safe. But if you look closer, John is trapped. He had a business idea 5 years ago. He had a chance to learn a new skill, to travel, to change his life. But he didn't. Fear and comfort kept him in place. Today, John is average. He's safe. But he is also quietly unfulfilled. Now imagine Sarah. Same age, same circumstances, but Sarah took small, consistent risks. She read books, practiced skills, experimented with her ideas. She faced fear daily. She failed often, but she kept moving forward. Sarah is not extraordinary yet, but she is alive, she is awake, she is climbing toward potential that most will never touch. And the only difference between John and Sarah is courage and self-discipline. Here's the reality. Escaping mediocrity isn't about genius. It isn't about luck. It's about choice. And the choices that matter are small, consistent, and deliberate. First, take responsibility for every decision. Stop blaming circumstances. Stop waiting for the right moment. You are the cause of your life. Second, face discomfort daily. Growth always requires tension. The more you lean into the uncomfortable, the stronger your mind becomes. Third, study, learn, iterate. Knowledge is power, but only when applied. Take one skill at a time, practice relentlessly. Fourth, eliminate the noise, social media, trivial entertainment, toxic people. Your environment shapes your behavior. Protect your mind. Fifth, track progress, not perfection. Mediocrity thrives in indecision. Action, even imperfect, is freedom. Progress compounds over time. Escape isn't immediate, it's gradual. But every day you ignore comfort and fear. Every day you act deliberately. You climb higher than 95% of the population ever will. Most people will never escape average. They will drift, they will settle, and they will die with their potential unclaimed. But you, if you understand this, if you embrace discomfort, face fear, and act daily, you can join the 5% who awaken. Because life doesn't reward intention alone. Life rewards action, strength, discipline, courage. It rewards those who refuse to be average. The question is, which one will you choose?